I'm at the park right now, and I'm seeing this. Oh, that car is fast. That thing is fast, though. That's what's so funny about it. I should get one of those. I have to edit this and zoom in because I can't really zoom in. Well, yes, I can. I can only zoom in a little bit. Whoa. Where'd it go? There it is, back here. Let's see. I can't zoom in that much. I can only zoom in at like 4x. Oh. I'm glad I saw this and brought my camera with me and put it in my backpack after school. As you guys want to know, like, look, I record on my phone, but I put this little camera thing on my phone to where it's a camera. So, because if I record in my regular recording, it'll record bad, alright? As y'all can see me, I'm wearing a sweater because I just got out of school and I'm at the park. JJ's gonna love this. And his little brother. Cassius the Best is gonna love this video. And his little brother. Some other people pulling up to the park. Right there walking. Oh, it's driving in the dirt. Oh, it was a perfect land. I should scoot up a little bit so y'all can see better, bro. Save you on TV. It's over there. Save me on TV. There's a lot of wind up out here. Oh! Oh! Dang! It flipped. That was great. Oh, I should get on the table. Now I'm on the table where you can see all the stuff when it happens and when it goes over that thing. Oh, oh, this thing is fast. This junk is fast. Oh, oh, it just smacked the slide. Dang. Oh, almost. Dang, I failed.